Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The headquarter of club is based in USA. Today we are here at Islamabad. Today we are here in Islamabad, and the Heights CEO and partner Mr. Mohsin is with us. I request Mr. Mohsin, please share with us about the Heights project. Please.
Assalamu alaikum. Basically, The Heights is a complete residential high-rise apartment based in Faisal Town, Islamabad, near to motorway of Peshawar Motorway M1. Basically, this project is of Chaudhry Abdul Majid, a well-known developer of Islamabad. He has a succession rate of 110% in the real estate market of Islamabad, as he has committed and delivered his all projects. Right now we are sitting in Faisal Town C block, and we have this project located in C block, plot number 3 of Faisal Town. Basically, our project is a high-rise residential apartment project considering of 10 canal land, and we are having construction 3 towers with 3 basements and 17 to 18 floor of height of length of 3 apartments. We are offering studio, 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed and 4 bed apartments at a very minimal rates with top-notch standards of amenities near to its surrounding. Basically, airport is roughly almost 10 to 15 minutes away from this project. In this project, all amenities like schools, hospitals, food chains and international brands are in this vicinity. Nust, main Islamabad, is located roughly almost 10 to 15 minutes away from this project. And the most important thing that I want to share about this project is specifically the area. It is a fully developed area in Islamabad with a high rate of comfortability from the client and from the end user, as many of the residents of Islamabad are moving toward this specific town, this specific area, because of the connectivity that we are giving. In future times, I believe this will gonna be the 0 point of the Islamabad, as motorway M1, M2 is connecting. We are going to get an interchange in few months roughly that will link this town direct to Srinagar highway, and our project is currently situated in roughly opposite to 18 housing society. If I make you go visit the 5th floor of this project, you will see the board of 18 housing society in front of you. You will see the traffic of Srinagar highway in front of you. It's roughly 400 meters away.
It's wonderful project, and you people are doing great job for the community, and I must appreciate your efforts and your viewpoint, your vision to facilitate the community. It's a wonderful project, and as you know, Global CEO Club is present in everywhere in the world.
Definitely.
And Global CEO Club can facilitate two people for the investments as well. Global CEO Club is growing and facilitating business community across the globe. I would like to invite you to become part of Global CEO Club, to join hands with Global CEO Club, so that international business growth can be part of your businesses. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful time and have a blessed venture in your whole life. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.